Okay, here's a problem related to Google Chrome. Let's visit a web page with videos, and the videos in the beginning are always black. So let's click on a video. Okay, here's Windows 8.0, and as you can see, it is black for a couple of seconds, and then now it returns to normal. Okay, let's try just another one, and this one is okay. Let's try that one. That one is black also in the beginning, and then it appears. Okay, so to fix this problem, let's go here to the three dots, go to settings, okay, and advanced, and search for, press Ctrl F for search for hardware. This one, use hardware acceleration when available. Disable it and close the entire browser and restart Google Chrome. I will go to the same place for the same videos, and let's try the video now. Now this one is okay, it's not black. I tried, I think this one was fine. It's fine now also, and one of these two, they are fine, so they are not black in the beginning. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.